Alright, so let's start with opening the glove box. Same idea. Squeeze this little thing, pull this out, and then you got this, you gotta move it, pull it towards you a little bit, and then there's another tip right here, you gotta pull it in. So, see, you gotta clear, so you gotta press this in, just the hair, there you go, and another one. Preferably you need two hands for this job, so I'm gonna put the phone away for now. As I said, you need two hands to drop this down. You just gotta press this thing like this on both sides at the same time, and then a glove box drops, and then you got the filter right here. Pry this thing open, both of them. Alright, here's the filter. Yep, as you see, this one is also dirty. All kinds of hair. See it? Old one, new one. So, like I say, you gotta change these every 15 to 20,000 miles. Not every 100,000 or never. Once you put your filter back in it, you don't have to do much. All you gotta do just kinda one easy move. Close this up, it closes, then you put your little shock absorber on the side, and then we are good. Put your owner's manual back in it and you're good to go.